From the ground up, USC Consulting Group helps building material manufacturers solve their sourcing problems, fine-tune their operations, and improve their bottom lines. It all begins with a blueprint for success, developed and perfected by our experts in your in-house teams. By starting with an optimization strategy, we set a strong foundation on which you can build a better performing business. We examine opportunities along the supply chain, from sourcing to scheduling, that can put you on sturdier footing. We also use our knowledge of the industry to open processes in order to achieve greater throughput, yield, and OEE. Our operational management specialists pay attention to every detail, no matter how small, and our clients take comfort knowing that we will implement the right strategies for continued improvement. Want to put 50+ years of consulting experience to work for you? Contact USC Consulting Group today.